Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Grand Cherokee rear wiper. Start by lifting the wiper arm and removing the plastic cap to expose the retaining nut. Always wear gloves and protect the glass while working. Remove the nut with the correct socket, then gently wiggle the arm free from the motor spline. Inspect the spline for damage before installing the new arm and tighten the nut securely. Begin by prying off the small plastic cap that covers the retaining nut, using a flat tool carefully. With the cap removed, use the correct socket to loosen and remove the nut holding the arm. Hold the arm while removing the nut to prevent it from springing back. Wiggle the arm straight off the spline with steady pressure, avoiding bending the arm or scratching the glass. Set the old assembly aside safely. Place the replacement arm onto the motor spline, making sure the blade sits in the correct parking position against the glass. Thread the retaining nut by hand to avoid cross-threading, then tighten it snugly with the socket without over-torquing. Reinstall the plastic cap and lower the arm gently. Turn on the wiper to test its sweep and check for any rubbing or misalignment. Make small adjustments if needed until the blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.